This tutorial is about how to use the activity feed for the assignment feature. So you can use activity feed for posting information or updates, etc. But you can also use it for creating an assignment or sharing an assignment that you had already created. So we would simply click the plus button, and then we would click the assignment button. And so this, by calling an assignment name, we would be creating an assignment. Or we could link to a pre-existing one that we have created another time. So I could post this one and make that my assignment. I'm going to X out of that and do it again, hit plus, and start fresh. And I'll click a new name, sample assignment. And I can type my instructions directly in here. So that's one way of sharing your information. Add your due date by clicking on it and calendaring it. And if you were utilizing the grades function, you can click that box. You can click the submission type if it's a text submission on paper or if it's an observation. But if you have created your assignment in Google Docs, you can attach from here, attach from Google Drive, and select your assignment. So this gives you the linkage much similar to Google Classroom. And you'll share the assignment to the students in a file. You can also do the same thing using the Microsoft version, OneDrive. And so you would post that link, you'd continue to OneDrive, and it will sign you in to your board account if you have the Microsoft suite. And it takes you directly into the cloud where you can link the assignment also. And just hit select, and then it posts the assignment. And thirdly, you can add a video resource from the web. If, let's say you created a video instruction in YouTube, or if you had a resource you wanted them to utilize, you can add it here also. So once you do that, and I'll just create the sample right now without anything really there, you'll see that it also directly links into my calendar. So it shares that information into the calendar. It will update once I refresh. But if I were to mark, I would just come back to this area because the submissions would populate here. Students would see this as their link to submit the assignment. For you, this is how you get to the assignment. So I'll hit refresh, and you'll see over here that it's now updated. And so a student can access their assignment here, or they can access it via the activity feed. So if I go to view as student, you'll see their view. And so they would just click on this submission area. And if they had questions, you could have the comments enabled so that they can type questions. And this feature is available when you're creating a post or in the assignment. So they can ask questions and get answers from each other or from you. And you can also turn this feature off.